through friends. Parang friends ko, friends niya rin. Pinakilala siya. Tapos doon nag-umpisa.
Mabait, malaga. Sweet, minsan. Minsan lang. Never gets old, whatever I do, I won't let go. Look at us now, a moment we only know.
A wedding is always time of joy and celebration. Lagi yan. Ang kasalan, laging moment, panahon ng pagsasaya, pagdiriwang.
Ada ako. Legs. Walang legs. Wala ka. Meron ba? Ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya, tahimik lang, malambing naman. Napilitan. Malambing naman.
Never gets old, whatever I do, I won't let go. Look at us now, a moment we only know now.
My love, thank you for for loving me. Kung ano man ako, alam mo namang madaldal ako. Hindi ako malambing, pero minahal mo pa rin ako kung ano ako. And thank you kasi responsable kang tatay para sa amin ng ating anak. And thank you kasi lagi kang nasa tabi ko. Nag-guide, nagtutulungan tayo sa hirap at ginhawa. Pangako, andito lang ako para sa'yo. Bubuo tayo ng pangarap natin together.
You're a picture in every piece.
At yun ang ipapangako ninyo, a lifetime of love, commitment, and sharing as husband and wife. That this is for lifetime. Ito'y panghabang buhay.
Congratulations! I'm happy for you, and may this celebration gives you a happy and a delightful experience, and yun lang.
Bilangin mo yan. Bilangin mo yung beads.
Baby, thank you sa lahat, sa pasensya mo. Promise ko hindi ako magbabago at ikaw lang. Yeah. Tandaan mo na ikaw lamang. Kami lang ni King at maybe in the future more. And see you later. Love you. Like the rain that falls and dances on the
Jonah, kailanman hindi kita pagtataksilan.
isuot mo at pagkaingatan ng singsing na ito na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing